this is Eleanor Werner, and she's getting ready for her first taste test from Grammy. So what's the first thing?
We have avocado. Put your foot down. Here you go.
Let's see if Eleanor likes avocados. I think she does. Gonna try
Oh.
a pepper. You don't want the pepper?
Okay.
This eggs. She's not gonna eat any of it.
Apple. Yes.
See if she eats that. Apple. All right, take one bite of your tomato. One bite. That's a fake bite. That was a fake bite.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This.
Okay, now we have the goat cheese. See if Eleanor's a fan of goat cheese. No, it's good. Your parents will love it. It's millennial food. Look. You gonna try the onion?
Take a bite.
Baba.
Take a bite. It's good.
Try it.
Take a real bite. You didn't.
Ah, the grand finale of the taste test.
Oh
Oh no. There.
Let's see if she likes cupcakes.
Mm-hmm. She's smiling at it.
You want Grandpa to cut it?
no. Okay.
So that concludes Eleanor's first taste test.